say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was done. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And with Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
Welcome in, welcome
The
in.
water didn't wake you.
Good to see you guys.
And that cross couldn't break you.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father.
All right, what up, everyone? Welcome in, welcome in.
Lead me to your altar,
Game time.
wash away my shame.
How y'all feeling?
Glory to the Father.
Good to see everyone.
You deserve
Welcome,
the
welcome.
praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
Yeah.
Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead
right.
me to your
What's up, what's up?
altar,
Happy
wash
Wednesday.
away my shame.
Welcome, welcome. What's goody, what's goody? Good to see y'all. Who we got here today? First on the eye is C. Melly. C. Melly in the house. What up, Carolina? What's up, Randy? Wayne in the building. Louis G is all over the place. He's all over the chat. What up, Yanosh? Yanosh is in the house. Yogi's in the house. Mod Squad's here. Stephen B is in the building. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Clubhouse rolling in here. Let me Clubhouse. Let's get it. Let's get it. Daniel's in the building. Mr. Crafty's in the house. What's good, boys? What up, what up? George VDM, my man, what's goody? What's up, Pablo? Stevie Mac in the house. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. What's up, Luke? OGH. YOLO Traders here. I'm telling you, the mod squad. The mod squad in the building. How you guys doing? Welcome in, everyone. What's up, LeGrand? The big dog's here. Bear Berry in the building. Ewan's in the house. What's good, Ewan? Yo, what's up, Dropout Trader? Mr. Tesla, how are you? How are you? All right, Clubhouse pouring in here. What's goody, everyone? Good to see you guys. W London session, eh? Really good London sesh. Really, really good. Fun times. Good times, boys. Good times. Trade with Sam, how you doing? Yo, what up, Conrad? Good to see you here, brother. What up, Eric P? Xander in the house. All right, what's up, Mr. Lopez? Yeah, let me give Zoom some music here real quick. Boom, boom, and yeah, I think we're good. Well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome, happy Wednesday to y'all. Let's make sure we're good here. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys had a good London session for those who traded London. And let's lower the music here and let's get the party started. W's in the chat if you're feeling good here today. W's in the chat if you're feeling good this year. If you're feeling like, you've learned. If you're in a better place than you are now than you were last year at this time, just hit a W. Even if you've never typed a thing in this live chat. Even if you've been here a whole 2 years and never said one stinking word. If you're learning, if you're growing, can I just see what's taking place? Just to get a look at, what's happening here. We all learning some things, hanging out. We're learning together. It's a good feeling. I like it. I like it. Cool. Well, let's go ahead and get the day started. It is Wednesday. It's December 11th. We're going to go ahead and pray here, and I'm going to pray for you guys, and then we're going to get the party started. All right. Father in heaven, Lord, I thank you for these individuals here, Lord. I pray that you bless them, that you lead them to truth, Lord. I thank you that they're better now than they were before, Lord. That's the only goal here, Lord, is that when they leave, that they are better than when they came in, Father. So I thank you for doing that work. I thank you for using me to just create movement here, Lord. And we thank you for the work you're doing in this community. We just ask that you bless this session. We give you all the glory for everything you've done for us this year. We thank you, Lord, that we're in a better place now than we were before, and we just give you all the glory for it. Simple things, Lord, that we're thankful for. So we honor you and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Simple little things like, man, the clouds were moving so fast this morning, just ready for the sun to rise. It kind of was like almost making way for the sun. It was just, once you begin to appreciate these little tiny things going on around you, it's over. They can't control you anymore. They can't get you depressed. They can't get you anxious. So that's just a little 2-second commercial from my end. Enjoy your mornings. Don't rush. If you don't have time to personally develop, that says something right there that should be a red flag. So keep in mind what's really going on here. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to the charts. Today, again, is Wednesday. It is December 11th here. So creeping in the last month of the year. We got some big, heavy news here coming in, right? So we got CPI coming in at 8:30, which is going to be in about 25 minutes or so. So we'll see how all things pan out here, but this is going to be pretty intense. So we'll see how numbers come out, and it doesn't look like they're looking to make too many changes here, but you never know what's going to happen on the initial spike here. So for those of you guys trading or in trades right now, just be aware, like, CPI is coming in, right? So some of you guys are like, well, what's CPI? So that's why you want to definitely take a look, create some sort of a strategy and a routine when you get to the desk where you take a look at what's going on in the markets. That way, in case you're in any sort of intraday trades, you don't have to get spiked out, and at least you know what's coming. So that's what's coming in here today. So we'll be aware of that. And that's about it. Let's go open up the charts. Let's take a look at the technicals here. If you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like for me. And let's do a fresh top-down analysis and see what we can come up with here today. So this is gold. So this is gold here. This is the daily time frame. We know that we're coming out of this range, right? So last couple days, last week and a half, we've been ranging quite a bit. And we know that the bigger the range, the bigger the breakout. So we're just sitting here, right, candle by candle, just waiting for some sort of a candle to break out, and then boom, you have this guy right here. So we get the breakout candle, it breaks out to the top side. That's a clear indication that price is going to want to push up, especially after a tight consolidation like this, right? So we get this candle to break out. Oh, my bad. Arrow. Yeah, we get this candle here to break out. We leave a wick to fill. No surprise that the next candle pushes up. And basically we had this whole range to fill here, right? So price did a really good job at that. Again, after we do get the breakout, you do see the candle push up. That was yesterday's candle. We did catch buys there yesterday, earlier in the morning. And then now you have today's candle, right? So this is today's candle. So if we look left, right, if we look left to try and get right, what can we spot here, right? So we have some sort of rejection here. We have some sort of rejections here and here, right? And now we just kind of creep right back into that area. So if we kind of draw a line here, right, we're in this overall zone where price tends to reject. And what does price typically do? If we look left, we see that price kind of drives down here, right? Price kind of drives down and drives down. So could we get some rejection, right? That's the first thing. Now, what are some signs here that the candlesticks may be saying, right, that we can expect some rejection? Well, number one, this candle here closed without a top wick, right? So no top wick on this candle. We also see that the current candle pushed up here without making a lower wick, right? And we know that that seems to be an issue. So now, is this going to be a rejection to this overall zone, right? And have this daily candle begin to break its own low here, flip bearish, and drive back down. So that's the question of the day, right? Will that take place in New York session? So we'll see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. We're gonna have some heavy news coming in that's gonna really push price around and give us some direction pretty soon. So looking at the 4 hour now, we've been traveling up for quite a bit, right? So we need a pullback. So right now what's taking place is candles are creating resistance, right, for that pullback to potentially come into place. Now, where can we pull back to? Well, we could pull back right here, of course, right? Where else? Maybe somewhere down here. And I think the main area would be back down towards like 2680, right? So how steep of a pullback will we get? That's going to have a lot to do with CPI, I believe, here today. But we are pushing down. We are trying to make this kind of retracement here on the 4 hour. So let's take a look at the 1 hour here. We should have some consolidation. There it is. You got candles printing side by side, pre-CPI. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes all chopped up. 15 minute, just a war zone. Straight up war zone going on the 15 minute. So yeah, for entertainment purposes only, I'll leave it here. But for trading purposes, I would say 1 hour looks, pretty crappy until you get out of all this. So we'll take a look at the 15-minute time frame though, as CPI comes out, and just see how we move about this battlefield here on the 15-minute time frame. All right. So I won't be taking any trades until probably 9 a.m. ish. I'm already up on the day. Took a beautiful trade in London, and I'm just gonna wait for good opportunity. Gonna have some fun here today, answer some questions, make it educational. If you got questions and you didn't get them answered yesterday, let's chop it up and let's get all of us to the next level here in our trading. All right, that's it. Z Gamer, let's go. So that's it, man. That's it. Simple CPI range, chilling. Time to wait. Time to wait. Give me 1 sec. All right, hold on 1 minute, 1 minute. All right, who we got in the club? What's good, everybody? What up, what up? How you guys doing? Yeah, charts. Yeah. If you guys got charts you want to look at, let's take a look. Took a shot at this wick fill breakout play. Realized 4 hour tap target. Closed a little after the wick fill. All right. I like it. I like it. Dun, dun, dun. Slam dunk in the building. What's good? What's good? What's good? What up, Dominic? Trade taken in London. Yeah, trade taken in London was right here. Right here. It was off the 15-minute time frame. It was at 9:40. I mean, I'm sorry, 9:45. 3:45, I believe. Yeah, a little bit after London Open, and we had some consolidation for a bit. We broke the lows there. It looked like a pretty good sellery play. We didn't bite on the sells. We waited for that candle to close above. Entry on the break of the current candle highs, partial TP here, full TP right there. Yep. Simple play, simple breakout. Yeah, I thought it was good. 15-minute. Yeah, right here. So basically, right here. So had this range, We had this candle here close above. You had a nice resistance to retest, which we did, and then these levels up here were looking good. I closed full right at that candle when it closed with no top wick. Yeah, pretty simple move. Anybody else take this? Clubhouse took this. Anybody else? I actually didn't even check the London channel. Some of you guys had to have taken that. Yeah, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. Johnny Gems was in the Clubhouse for London session. He stuck. He was a man of his word. He stuck to it. Yeah, yeah. Just Lav. That's what I was looking at. George was in the chat too. Like George is there every London session, and he was showing me the Oanda chart, and I'm like, wow, it's bugged out. It was bugged out. But hey, look, time and time again, the futures chart has honestly been the truth teller. Way more than the Oanda charts, and that's now me watching these future charts almost all year, right? Since like February, Marchish. Johnny Gems was in yes, he was in London. Yes, he was. Spreads, well, that's the other thing with futures is like there's no spread. Like the spread is like almost zero at all times. So I didn't see any spreads at all here. But I think, yeah, actually they were talking about like 6 pip spreads, weren't they? Yeah, some people in the Clubhouse were on Icy Markets and a few other Forex brokers. Traders next door. Hey, I have to give a huge shout out to my man BuzzBlab. You have to check this out. BuzzBlab on ASFX podcast, doing it big, taking home the championship belt for the competition. Not even getting lucky. Not only does it do it once, he does it twice, bro. I think this guy won like 3 times in a row. So that's what you call consistency. When I tell you we're breeding 8-figure traders, 8-figure mindsets, I promise you, just wait on it, right? You're going to see trader after trader after trader come through here and go on and make themselves multi-millionaires. Bank on it. Bank on it. Stick around. We're going for a ride. BuzzBlab, so proud of you, buddy. So proud, man. Can't wait to hear the full interview. Yeah, man. Yeah, W. Let's get it. Let's get it. I think the interview's dropping. It's got to be this week. Tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. Let's go. W, brother. Good work, man. Proud of you, bro. Way to get it done. And there's a lot more coming. A lot more coming right behind you. So way to you know, raise the tide. Raja had 100 pips. Whoa. Or was it 10 or 100? Nah. 100 pip spreads, dude. What? So if I take a buy right here, my entry's looking like this. Dang, where's my stop loss going? Holy. Wow. I wonder what happened. Something must have happened, some sort of glitch or something. Come to the futures market, ladies and gents. Damn, that's crazy. I didn't know that. Did not know that. Top Step Combine, you just go on their website. You can read everything. You can read it all word for word. Just go to topstep.com. Similar to every other combine and challenges. Spreads. Spreads going crazy today. Charts. Sheesh. Yeah, yo, I'm hyped, man. That honestly, that made my morning, bro. I cannot wait for this podcast to drop. Cannot wait. Is that airing live too? I like when he airs them live. Then we can go blast the chat. Saturday? Yeah, it'll probably be live then. It should be live. Saturday, gang, we'll blast the chat. So what are you guys doing? Who's in any trades? You guys in any trades on gold right now? Any trades on anything? You guys looking to get into trades? What are you guys doing? Wow, 4 hour broke the highs here. Zero trades, Zippo. In a sell, don't want to be in though. Hey, to be honest, like, I mean, I'm not saying this is gonna happen. I'm just saying this could happen. But like, that daily candle may break the low here. Just drive down, just like these other candles. It wouldn't be the first time, right? Let's just say that. It wouldn't be the first time. Did anybody take trades in London session? Anyone? Let's check Discord a little bit. Oh, nice. Yeah, there we go. Young Pipper. Taking the same trade as me. W. Yeah, some of you guys, I had a feeling some of you guys caught that for sure. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. W. Some of you guys got the sells too. Nice. Good work. Good work. Oh, baby. Here comes that daily low, maybe. Or are we grabbing some liquidity? Game time. Game time. 8:20. Comics open. Bringing in some volume. Let's go. Take the profit and go. Take it and run. Do we got any tradertainment on here today? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I don't see it. Oh, man. I want to see Raja play this. London session, my stop was the current candle low. Yeah, use the current candle low there. Like basically right back below the range. Tight stops. Just exactly what I was looking for. Yeah. What up, Spence? How are you, brother? Pia Magnifico. Clubhouse? Oh, Eddie, message me. Message me or TK, and we'll get you. That's hold on. All right, done. Oh, we got a blader. Little pre-CPI blader. Let's take a look at S&P here. Pushing up, pushing up. Where's my boy Green at? Let's see, we're coming down to support here now. Let's see, let's see. Daily candle, breaking the lows. Forex charts have bottom wick, steep bottom wick on the daily? No way, that's wild. No way. Send me a little screenshot of it. That's crazy. Yeah, those charts are really off today. Yeah, facts. Facts, Billy. We'll see now. We'll see now what happens here. We'll see if we get the and that's been the cool part for me about trading all three sessions, is treating the day almost as if like we're building out the daily candle session by session through the 4-hour time frame. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool analysis. And yeah. Green chasing it. Wow. Nah, that's wild. Look how much different that is. Sheesh. That is so much different. Wow. I mean, that's the point where you got like a totally different bias. Like, that's wild. That's a little too much. Crazy. Yeah, dude, that's enough to change your whole entire analysis, your whole entire bias. Yo, the groomsmith in the house. What up, what up? I mean, either way, I'm staying out anyway till after the news, so. Which one do we use? So, I would go with the one that you're individually using. So, I'm using the futures one currently, but if you're using the Forex one, then I would use that one. Yeah, it's tough. But through my experience, to be honest, I mean, the futures chart has really been the one that's been more accurate now. Now that I've been doing this for a couple months, futures and watching futures and Forex charts, this one seems to be a little bit more accurate, I would say. What do you guys think? Have you guys seen? What do you think? All right, here we go. 1 minute. Yeah, futures, man. Futures. So could that have been liquidity to activate sellers now and to give the daily candle a bottom wick? Because now the bottom, now they would line up a little bit better, right? Because now you're more you're bullish on Oanda. Now you're saying, okay, maybe that was the bottom wick, right, for the daily time frame, and you're starting to get bullish again on this chart too. And you know, eventually they kind of fold themselves. In a way, they kind of match up, but it's tough. It's tough to pick one. So I think whatever one you're using, just use that one. But you got to make a decision. Got to make a firm decision. All right, 14 seconds till blast off. Oh, baby. Breaking lows, breaking lows. How's the spreads? 160 pips. Let's see what this candle does. Let's see how the numbers came out here too. Yeah, pretty much all the same. Not much of a difference. Where will she go? Will we get a fake out here for the daily candle to continue moving back up, or are we going to continue breaking daily lows, right? That's the big question. You got a lot of clean range to go down. Gets a bit choppy to the upside though for a little bit. Yeah. 1 hour is much better like that. That's how we originally had it. So we'll see. Yo, what up, Max? Lights, fire. How are you, man? How are you? Same numbers? Yeah. Same numbers. Damn. All right, give me 1 minute. Rafi's in the house. What's goody? What's goody?
What's going on, my brother?
Nice shirt.
Dang it. Hey, representing right here.
Hey. I dig it.
Let's go. You know.
How are you, bro?
You know. Doing great, man. How are you?
Long time no see.
I know, man. It's been a while. How you been?
Incredible. Incredible.
Good to see you. Good to hear that.
Yeah. Let's get zoom a little lowered. All right, that should be good.
How are we doing, chat? How are you guys doing today? Beautiful. What is it? What's the day today? Wednesday, yeah? Beautiful Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday.
Well, I never know what day it is until Friday. Then I know the charts are, you know, the market is closed, and then I know it's Friday.
Wednesday. Yeah, right. Yeah, man. How was London? Did you take that trade too?
Yeah, bro. But my
Nice.
chart was like just like George.
Oh, that's right.
It was nah, bro. I just closed it. Just didn't feel good.
Yeah,
Yours,
yeah,
like yours was doing, mine wasn't. Was like we're just doing this, and I was like, what is happening right now? I just closed it.
Damn.
I mean, I got like $300 or something.
Was there a glitch or something? Is that what happened?
Dude, I don't know what was happening. Like your guys's wick was going, and mine wasn't doing anything. It was just like that. Like yours closed above, and mine wasn't even close to the resistance. I was like, nah. Bro.
Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, closed it. So, you know, it is what it is. I take the little W.
Yeah. What's the chart look like now?
Let me see yours. Let me see what you got here. You are in the 1 hour time frame. Let me see what you got. Nah, it's not looking the same, bro.
Nah?
Nah, it's not looking the same either.
Wow. Hold on, let's take a look.
Yeah,
wow,
I have the same.
What? It's getting spooky out here. It's getting spooky. You got profits today. You better keep them.
Yeah.
Futures moving down. Oanda moving up. That's wild. Like what? Oh man. You can't make that up. Wow. He said calling it a week.
You have like a break, you know, like closure above, and we're like not even close.
That's great. You got a beautiful celery looking play. Pack runner. All that right there.
Right.
Sheesh.
Now is that real? You know what I'm saying? It's like
it's a woozy, it's a wazi, chat. Damn, that's crazy. Wow. Crazy.
gamer. Yeah, man, they call it a day.
Let's call it a day. It's over. It's over. CPI broke the market, I guess. Someone's playing games. Some smart nerdy kid in his basement is really just messing around with everyone right now.
You know, when I see Forex.com and see what it shows.
What up, Matt? Yeah, now would be a great time to like the stream. Fantastic time to give the stream a like. Actually, there's probably never been a better time than right now to give the stream a like. Yeah. Buying on start taking trades on all of them. Buys on Oanda, sells on futures. Making money everywhere. New strategy. Look at this push though. So I think that was some liquidity on there, grabbing that daily wick. Broke the low, created a actual wick, and then just popped right back up. 4 hours obviously still very bullish. Looks good. 15-minute fake out. Nice.
was the gym today?
Fix the spreads.
How was the gym today, Nick? Any
What up?
people getting it done?
What'd you say, bro?
How was the gym? People showed up or what?
Incredible. You know, every day, a little bit less, especially when Wednesday comes around. They come in a little later, a little more tired, a little bit more draggy, and we just stay steady. It's just it's noticeable. It's visibly noticeable.
It's getting close to the end of the year,
week.
and now people are like, you know what? I'll start strong on the first.
It's like an every week thing. It's like Monday we're rearing up, ready to go. Tuesday we're pretty sore, and like that kind of hurt Monday. That kind of sucked, you know. And then Wednesday, you know, it's like some excuse will kind of come up and
take a day off.
Yeah. Thursday you come in looking like, you know, you don't even know where you're at, and you're like, you don't even want to be there. And then Friday, I mean, it's Friday, you know. What's the point of going to the gym on Friday? You know, end of the week, take it easy, eat some pizza. You'll have a six-pack in no time. Just keep doing that. Just keep going. So that seems to be the case for most people. And then you got the other small group that's there every day, hustling, not skipping a beat. One guy showing up in just tights, like, damn. You couldn't put some shorts on, dude. The guy's like, he's like 60. He's one of those guys that just literally goes around the gym talking. You know, like every time you see him, he's talking to somebody. So he's like tries to fit in a lot. And dude, I think he thought what he was rocking was like fly. I was like, no, this guy did not do this. He did not, bro. This dude was rocking just a straight, you know, just like the Under Armour, like it goes under your shorts. You know what I mean? And then you put your shorts on. He just didn't put shorts on. He just came in and just rocked that. And I'm like, damn, bro. Damn. Not a good look. But, you know, you gotta let people live out in their joy. You know what I mean? Do your thing, brother. Do your thing. What's going on with the market? I don't know. We're gonna have to call in the scientist. Oh, that's the new trend. Got it. Figures. Watching the stream from the Matrix. Let's go. W. I like that last part. You must have been a UPS delivery driver. Why, they're rocking that now? Them Amazon boys, man, they be hustling. They be sprinting through the yards, bro. Sprinting. They need to be paid more, straight up. Like, they work mad hours, and they gotta get pushing too. Otherwise, they're not coming home before like 8 p.m., dude.
Crazy, man.
I talk to some of these guys every now and then when I can, and it's like, bro, they give them less route. I don't know. Give them less packages, dude. Like, what? Man said like 160 stops. Like, what? And how long? Close to the beach? W. UPS drivers, I don't know. I don't know if they have I never really talked to them too much. I remember when I was a kid, anytime the UPS truck would drive by, we would all chant FedEx, FedEx, FedEx. And when the FedEx drove by, we'd be like UPS, UPS. Stupid stuff, bro. Stupid stuff.
Yo, do you used to call like a random like Papa John's or like Pizza Hut?
Prank calls all the time.
On random.
Yes.
Like a friend's house or something.
Order the whole menu.
Yeah, like 2 pizzas or something, send it to a friend or something like that.
We used to do this
like,
one prank.
Never used up.
We used to do this one prank where it was order the whole menu, and you would just literally open up their menu and just start one by one. So let me get that, and let me get that. And Rafi, what do you want? Let me get that, and just literally start going in order until eventually they're just like, click. So you want the whole menu? That's correct. And they're like, all right, and then you're like, all right, but hold the plain pies, and then like then you just start checking everything back off of it. So first you order the whole menu, right? And then you tell them, but hold this and this and this and that and that and this and that, and then you just start going the whole menu again. Gotta love being a kid, man. Gotta love it. CPI
The funny
dud.
thing is, like, you stop being a kid, you know what I'm saying, at some point.
When you have to get a job and start your career. And most people are forced into a career. They don't even want to do it. They just did it. They're just doing it because their dad did it. Or because their mom did it. Because someone else did it. So I talk to people all the time. I go, yeah, how you like doing that, you know? They're like, it's alright. I'm like, really? What would you rather be doing? And then they tell me. I'm like, well, why don't you start doing more of that? And they go, well, I gotta work and stuff. And I just leave them with a, you know, you can figure it out. And then I'm just gone. Gone like the wind. Right in the supermarket.
When you do that, well, you know, our parents did it for so long, and I'm kind of used to it.
Yeah. I sit there have conversations with people all the time. All the time. All the time. So yeah, how long you been doing that? You know, 4 years. Oh, you know, is that what you went to school for? Nah, I went to school for this, and this happened, and that, and I ended up doing this, and oh man, you know, now they tell me, well, I got all these school loans and all this stuff. Sheesh.
Oh, a lot of people
Said,
like
how was
that
the party? You know, how was it?
Yeah.
Oh, one hell of a party, man. One hell of a, he got stories for days now. Oh man, this one time at this dorm. But then it's like, damn. The good old days. So I'm trying to tell him, yo, why don't you make the rest of your life the best of your life? And start doing things you like. Simple.
Well, for me, college was just playing the game, bro. Like that's the only thing that I can think of, you know. The trips that we did as a team, the wins, the losses, the painful punishments that we got because some of the guys in the team got in trouble. Like that was college to me, because when I go back and think about the rest of the stuff, I don't remember much.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, J. Coop. Green is in the house. What's up, Green? What's up, Green? All right, will we break the range today? What do we have here tomorrow? Anything? Unemployment claims, PPI. Oh. That's it. Today and tomorrow is the only red folders, and then Friday we're pretty clean. Pretty clean. Had a JOB for 38 years. Damn, dude. That's longer than I've been alive. What did you do, Pat? Or what do you do? My girl's student loans. Yo, tell me about it. I didn't go to college, but Anna went to college. Yeah, I never really looked at the college thing. Like, I was gonna go to a trade school at one point, but didn't end up doing that either.
But can you imagine if there's like a, actually they put this like trading as a like a major?
Some kids start trading right out of college. Just start working for a firm. I'm gonna have little Maverick doing that. He'll graduate right into the TT hedge fund. I'm gonna make up my own college for him.
Trading, okay.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Electrician and police officer. Thank you for your service. Wait, where did you work? Are you in the USA? Didn't finish. Yeah, Anna didn't finish school either. Oh, Ohio. Oh, nice. Ohio. My kids to go to school? Nah, probably not gonna put them in school. We haven't put them in anything yet, so probably gonna homeschool. We'll hire some help. We're gonna hire some help. As for right now, we just teach them they just watch us. They don't know what's going on. Dude, kids are living the dream. How'd I get into trading? Originally I was into e-commerce and building online businesses. I also did network marketing, and I just wanted to find something like at some point where I was doing network marketing for quite some time. I enjoyed it, I loved it, but I really was working hard, and I thought I could be getting better results. And I didn't really want to bank on people to make money, right? Like, I wanted to help people, genuinely help them, not to like do it for freedom or some sort of income, right? So what I did was I started looking around and started looking for other opportunities, and then I found this, and I'm like, all right, so if I can just get to the nitty gritty and understand the markets, it's just me against the markets. And I knew I was willing to put in the work. I knew I was willing to be disciplined and learn the game over time. And I thought to myself, all right, let me give it a go. And that's where I really committed. That was in like 2019. Started committing to learning trading, and you know, the rest is history. Struggled really hard for like 2.5 years. 2.5 years. I found Raja and his like system, I'd say like 2.5 years in. After that, it took me like another like 6 months, 7 months, and pretty much started finding that consistency I was looking for. So that's how I got into it. And yeah, then eventually started the live streams, and yeah, man, now we're here. Now we're and then I watched the show Billions, and I'm like, man, what if I had a hedge fund one day, you know? And the live stream acts as a filtration system to find the right people, you know, find the right people, the right traders all across the world who we can invest capital into and actually have a hedge fund that comes straight out of this community. So not only can we not only do we find the right people, we can get them the right education, and then we can get them the right capital, and yeah, make a successful life out of it. So it's gotten so much bigger. I would have never really thought I'd be doing this 6 years ago, 7 years ago, but yeah, pretty cool how God just kind of sometimes makes you take a left or a right and puts you on a even better path than you thought you were on before.
Oh, man, brother.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Skills. So network marketing skill set, that's going to be a lot of people skills. You know, a lot of people skills and a lot of persistence, you know what I mean? And just really kind of personal growth and development. Those are the skills that you got to learn. And, you know, believe it or not, those skills kind of come into trading as well, as at least like things that I learned in, you know, just like, let's say personal development and mindset and mentality. I've applied that here. You know, that's why I feel like I've been able to do pretty well. Once I got the swing of the whole technical side of things, I was able to get in line like mentally, because I already had developed those skills for years and years before that. But even having those skills, it still took time to really get disciplined here, you know, in the markets. What up, Martin? What's good? Yeah. Yep. So, and now we have such big plans and such big things in the working, is in just a lot of opportunity coming, and just trying to make the world better, I guess. A little bit better than it was when we got here. Michael, it's good. Yeah. And the cool part about it is spending time here on YouTube and now in the clubhouse, you know, these are where you're going to find homegrown traders. People who, there's something different about when a team works together for years, right? Rafi, I'm sure you've seen it in baseball, you see it in football, you see it in basketball, you see it in athletics, you see it in business, right? Where a group of individuals work together, like a group, come together for a common goal, a common dream, in a common activity like trading or, like, again, basketball or whatever, and they just learn the game together. They make each other better. Typically, those are a lot of time teams that end up winning these bigger championships, championship games a lot of times.
Are unbeatable. Those teams are unbeatable.
The chemistry, is
that,
just
bro. Yeah, no, it's energy. Yeah. You get all the people in the same page, the right room, the right like level of hunger, bro. It's just everybody's going towards the same place. You know what I'm saying? Like if you think about the movie, for example, 300. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
I've seen. I use a little bit of that. You know, one of my programs, and you see like whenever they push together, bro, it's only 300 against a massive thing. You know what I'm saying? But they all going towards the same focus, same plan, same everything, bro. It's powerful stuff.
It's very powerful. Very powerful. So that's what's taking place here. You know, that's what we're doing. Whether you know that or not, that's the spirit that's running through here, right? Is everyone kind of getting better together. And, you know, I told you guys in the beginning of the year, this year, I'm not trying to be up here and be that guy. You know, I'm trying to be in the trenches, learning, growing, getting better at trading, marching towards that 8-figure mark together. Not ahead of you, not in front of you, not above you, just literally right side by side. Just happen to be up in the screen. That's it. You know, my cameras just happen to be on. But other than that, there's a lot of people out here winning at a high level other than me, and you'll hear their names, right? Eventually actions will speak, you know, and those are the guys and girls that you'll see coming on big time, and you'll see them in the clubhouse. And yeah, we're doing some big things. We're doing some big things. Let's go. Wow, year and a half. Sheesh. Time does fly. But man, when you start enjoying life on a day-to-day, it truly does slow down a little bit. When you can start to appreciate things, and, you know, it's not a rant on gratitude, but, you know, I watch the sunrise almost every morning, and just there's something so special about just blocking out everything, right? Some days I go and just watch the sunrise, and just even today it was just the clouds, man, were just moving so fast. They were almost like scattering for the sun as it was coming up to just get out of its way. It was just honestly like breathtaking, and most people aren't even looking at that. Most people are so busy, they're eating their donut, they're rushing out, they're, you know, shaving in the they're shaving on the car ride to work, and it's just, there's so many little things to be grateful for, you know. And when you're grateful for those little things, that's when those big plans come together, and it's a blessing. It's a blessing. Miss Donuts, what's your go-to donut there? Should I say who said that? I don't think it would matter. Guys in incredible shape. "21 years old. Don't even remember the age. Word. Started watching in September. Nice, dude. W. Congrats, Wayne. Yep. Seen your name here for a long time, man. Some of y'all got the donuts on your hand, the donuts on your car. You're going to Dunkin' Donuts. You're saying, yo, I got this donut on my car. I got a flat earlier. Someone told me if I come here, I get a free coffee. Next thing you know, you got to go over to Starbucks. There's TK getting a chocomocha. It gets all crazy, man. It gets all crazy. He's getting ready, heading back for the New York live stream. It can get wild out there. Hold on. All right, we're coming back up. Here we go. The chocomoke. 1 hour closed up here, huh? Right at resistance. That's not good. W, 4 or 5 months, yeah. That, you know, now you're starting to build up consistency. Yo, you gotta stop changing them names, man. You gotta stop changing those names. Camouflaging. What am I currently trading? I'm sitting here watching gold. CPI came out. Looks like pre-CPI we drove down real quick. News release popped us back up. Still no closure above the range. Little fake out took place here on the 15-minute. Hourly candle still holding that support. So pretty interesting. Daily candle came down. Just broke the low, made a lower wick, and then right back up. Same thing with the 4 hour. So pretty interesting. Oanda charts look. What do the Oanda charts look like now? Oh, brother. Probably looks like this. It's just going down. It's a wild morning. I got some good pips earlier. Took a beautiful buy in London session, and that was able to sit me pretty good here today, and we'll see if anything else goes down. Yeah, I took this buy right here in London, this little breakout, push up, full closure once that candle closed and no wick, and that was it. That was it. Ooh, word of the day. Don't speak about what you don't want. 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 Don't speak that you do have. Speak about what you do want that you don't have. Holy, rewind that. Rewind it. Speaking of gems, it looks like Mr. Gems is here himself.
Who is in the house?
Now we're talking. Now we got a stream going. Johnny Gems.
Yo, yo.
The one
What's
and
good,
only.
boys?
Got my notebook here, my pen. I'm ready to go, bro.
How are you? How are you?
Hey. Morning, Nick. Good morning, Rafi.
How's it going there,
How we
Johnny?
doing, brothers?
How are you, my guy? Doing good?
Amazing. It's amazing.
Incredible.
Blessed and highly favored.
Blessed.
Feel rested a little bit?
I feel rested, definitely. Yeah.
Nice.
This boy's just bringing out fresh shirt after fresh shirt. The Asian session was glowing. All right,
Yo,
now
facts,
we got a new one. Okay, okay.
So we're switching it up. Each session has a different vibe, you know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
gotta switch up the style, too.
London was a
What's good,
vibe.
ladies and gents? How we doing?
The man
Yes,
himself.
sir. Hey, I'm ready. I'm here to put the work in. I'm here to get the reps in. Another day to follow the plan and be patient, disciplined to it.
I dig that. I dig that. That's one thing
Get
you
it.
could bet on, is we'll be
Oh, yeah.
here.
I'll be here getting my reps in with the family.
Break of the 4-hour highs here. Man, CPI didn't really do much at all. Good to have you in London
Told you.
session, John. Mr. Gems,
Thank you, bro.
thank you for
It
gracing
was
us
good
with your
to be here.
presence.
It was good to be there. I'll be there tomorrow as well.
Oh, nice.
Oh, let's
Yeah.
go.
Sir.
Back to back.
I told you see me after CPI today.
Facts. Factual.
What's up, George? What's up, Steve B? What's up, Daniel? What's up, Sean and Sebastian?
Supposedly the Oanda charts were going up, futures charts were going down. Bro, it was not even anything near the same price action.
Hey.
Is it still that way? Oh wait, actually the candle closed, right? How did that 4-hour candle on Oanda close?
Close above, up for me. Above resistance.
Wow.
Oh wow, that's insane.
I'm sticking to my futures chart. I mean, the futures chart is the real deal, you know, so.
The futures chart has been correct more than the Oanda one. In the last 6 months that we've been looking at it, this one has the clear edge.
Yeah, not sure what's up with Oanda.
In my personal
soft.
opinion of observation. Oh, let's take a look here. Oh wow, yeah. So okay,
Yeah, that's what I have. Yep.
closed above. Interesting,
And
but
basically, the candle's just bigger.
it didn't close above the 1-hour highs, right? I mean, the 30-minute. Is that the 30 high? Yeah, that's crazy.
Didn't close above from the 30.
Gotcha. Naz. Oh,
Let me
Louis
know, Trader.
G. Louis G. Where did Naz end
Louis
up going?
G.
Up and away?
Yes, juice box.
Yeah, I seen that.
But yeah, I think the 1 hour closed above on our chart too.
1 hour?
Yeah.
Oh, above here. Yeah.
But it's slightly closed above. I'm looking at the 30 and 15.
Yeah, I like 30 better here.
Yeah. Same.
It's not the same. Stop it. What's up with a little golf
So,
this weekend?
Can you have this on your phone?
Which one?
This chart?
Top.
Or that you're looking at right now?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, okay.
I think so. I've never really done this one on the phone, just my other one.
Bro, I used to have to trade on my phone every day in school. Walking in the hallways and stuff. Like 9 a.m. the bell rings, I'm like, damn it. It's a 30-minute, 1-hour candle closure. I'm like walking on my phone, like trying to place a trade.
And our high school had like no service at all.
Yeah.
Super glitchy.
Yeah. If you could trade on an iPhone, you could trade on anything.
Yeah, I have two phones and an iPad. So I have like the two phones to operate and the iPad to look at the charts.
Okay. So you execute on the phones and you observe on the iPad.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay, I like that.
Interesting.
You like doing that better? Or is
Yeah,
that
bro,
just the way you've always been doing it?
I can't do the computer, bro. I feel like my fingers freeze and it's just like can't move. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah. When I had MT5, it was nice to trade MT5 off your phone, I remember. So I would do the same thing, like use TradingView as a chart on my computer and then MT5 on my phone. But yeah.
Bro,
Yeah,
for
no,
years I
feel
only
like-
used Magic Keys.
Magic
Like I didn't even
keys.
know how to trade
Never
without
got to
Magic
use
Keys
that
for a while.
Then Nick convinced me to trade Magic Keys on my laptop.
And then it was much better, right? Than the phone, you think?
Yeah, and then it was way better.
Yeah.
I was like, oh damn. Yeah. I thought so.
Yeah. Magic Keys made everything so simple.
Yeah.
I think we got
really
somebody
did.
saying hi over here.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey guys.
How we doing? How we doing?
Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Coming out of Bali. Bali.
Coming to the U.S.
Very excited and ready.
Let's go.
Awesome.
Dolby. Ready to
great.
roll out the jungle.
Big double. Big double.
Rolling out the jungle, baby.
Yes, sir.
Big leaps, new changes, new environments. Sounds like a new vibe.
Yeah.
Nah, the new environment thing always changes the game. Like anytime you put yourself in a new environment, it's just different. It's just different. You just locked in with yourself on a you're in unfamiliar territory a bit, or you just haven't been there in a while. Things are different. It's back to just you and your own mind, you know?
Yeah.
Putting in the work.
Definitely.
It's like, like the chapter is over. You're ready for the change. You're
Yeah.
ready for the next episode.
Right.
True.
Yep. And change is like getting out of your comfort zone too. You know, like not 100% expecting what's gonna change. You know, you're getting comfortable being uncomfortable, which is always great too. A new environment to adapt to as well.
Dude. Rafi's
Yeah.
on his way.
Facts. What's up, Shelly?
Holy.
Only.
Yeah. What's up, Roni in the building? What's goody? What's goody? Welcome in. Welcome.
Everybody.
Should you watch a futures chart if you don't trade the futures? Probably not. I think it's best to just watch what you're trading. Whatever platform you're trading on, I would just stick to that one. That way you could build your analysis around that, and yeah, I think that would be best. BRB.
Stick to your own chart. Yeah, last thing you want to do is look at someone else's chart and get super confused. Trading's a simple game, so the moment you overcomplicate it, then it's not simple anymore. So let's keep it simple. Rafi, when's the raining season in Bali?
Bro, we're in it right now. I haven't seen the sun, bro, in like 2 weeks.
Damn, really?
Yeah.
How long is it? Usually.
Well, it's supposed to start in October and it ends like towards the end of February.
Damn.
So, yeah, bro, it's gonna be a long one.
Wow. And then after that, it's just super hot, always.
Well, it's hot now because of the rain.
Yeah.
So it's
True.
like really humid. And then after that, it kind of cools off a little bit. Because like we are technically in our summer right now.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, but I mean, last year barely rained. And this year it's raining for as much as it didn't rain last year.
Oh.
So it's like nonstop all day. Like sometimes you just look, the internet quakes and power kind of goes off and it's just crazy.
It's making up for last year.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, that'd be exciting though, getting out of that, you know, that rainy season, that long rainy season. That'll be good.
Yeah. We've been preparing ourselves mentally for the change, you know what I'm saying? Because we've been in here for 3 years, very spoiled and blessed of the heat, you know, and now going back to, you know, to a place where it gets cold, really cold, and it gets gray and you don't see the sun for, you know, 3 or 4 months. It's like, you know, learning to accept now before we get there.
Right. It's really good. Setting expectations up.
Well, I remember, like, I used to come out and coaching, bro. Like, we used to be at the field at 7 a.m. and it would be like low 30s, barely any sun, and windy, and your lips get all like burned, your ears and everything, bro. Your eyes are watering, like your cheeks get all burnt because of the wind.
Yo, I hated that though, bro. And when I would live in New York, I would park my car at my high school, and when I would walk in, the wind would be hitting my cheeks. Like, oh my god, it hurt so bad. It was so cold, literally numbed my whole body.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Are you gonna come down for spring training? You think? Are you gonna go down to Florida or Arizona?
No, I'll miss spring training this year, but next year definitely. Since I'm gonna be back, I'll probably. Well, no, I got some guys that go to Florida, but big ties in Arizona.
Gotcha.
Yeah, majority of my spring trainings I spent in Arizona.
All right. All right. Nice though.
Goldie just moving on up.
Yep.
9:15 here. Let's see what happens. Coming into his zone. George VDM getting after it, bro. That kick was insane. How do you do that? Getting after it today, bro. Okay.
What's up, George?
Gotta pay my dues. AB Mike is in the house. How are you, AB Mike? How are you? Yeah, it's a big difference in the charts here today. All messed up. All messed up. Just be careful. If you're green on the day, don't even touch the button. Just relax. Just enjoy life today.
Just waiting for the next best trade. That's it.
Have fun. Have some fun.
Minute looks a bit cleaner than the 15, in my opinion. Sorta.
Next best trade, yeah. There was a big, like, I guess with the whole spread thing too, so something went down. Something went down. ES just pushed. Wow. Cano with the Mets. Damn, he still plays?
Yeah. Bro, he's coming back. You know, he was
Breaking.
suspended.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Here. Yeah, so now you got Juan Soto, you got Cano back. They're probably gonna sign Pete Alonso. You got obviously Mr. Smile in shortstop, bro. Like that team is gonna be stacked.
Wow,
Can't believe they got
Mets are
Juan
getting
Soto.
stacked.
Yeah, they actually are.
Interesting.
Yeah. No, Cano's coming back, bro. He is smashing like in the South Arabian League. He's like smashing Dominican Republic and.
Oh yeah.
No,
he's
actually,
good.
no. I think he was playing in Mexico or something. Bro,
He's
and
one of the
I'm
best
saying-
fielders I've ever seen.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah.
That dude's
Yeah.
dirty.
Bauer, I think, also got signed with the Mets, bro, and he was dealing in Mexico.
Who,
Like,
Trevor
just-
Bauer?
I don't think I know
Yeah,
him.
bro. Yeah, he played. He pitched for. He was an ace for the Cleveland A's. For the Cleveland what's the name
Indians.
now? Indians, yeah.
They'll always
They
be
have
the
one
Indians. Come on.
Why? What are they now?
They're hold on,
They
let
go-
me tell you. Oh man, I can't remember the name now. It's some weird thing.
I remember the name.
What is it?
The Guardians.
Guardians, yeah. Like what?
I know.
Yeah.
Indians to Guardians.
Bro, you remember that team with Albert Bell with the Cleveland Indians? Like,
No.
back, like,
Nah, I
Like-
don't remember him. Honestly.
Omar Vizquel was like the shortstop, and then Alomar was the second baseman. We're talking like back in the day. I think Manny Ramirez was playing back then too.
Sure, Nick would know.
That.
Nah,
Yeah.
I wouldn't. To be honest, I wouldn't. Unless it was like 1996 when the last time I was actually into that stuff, then I wouldn't really know. Scott Brocious, Bernie Williams. Now we're talking.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Tino Martinez. I think the latest I can probably get to is like Judge. Anyone after that, I have no idea who's in the league, not in the league, who's the best, who's the worst, what teams are good,
Yeah.
who changed the name. I don't even know what's going on over there.
You remember Duque, yeah?
El Duque, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, bro. He
With the
was
high
good.
leg kick.
Yeah.
Opening day. Oh, nice. Yankees play spring training down here by me.
Tampa, yeah.
Yeah, we got the stadium's like 20 minutes away.
Ooh.
I'll probably go check it out this year.
Yeah, you gonna invite me
Was
to
that
a
in
game
last
or
year?
you just
Yeah,
gonna?
bro. Oh,
Gotcha.
oh yeah. Let's do it.
Yeah, I like these closures below potentially. Might be breaking this high to continue back down. All right, daily candle already tapped target. 1 hour Never really closed above. 30-minute hasn't closed above. 15-minute closes below. You got 930 coming in. You might get some volume just like we did over here. Kind of came up into this range, drove down, closure below, drove down. So maybe you see it here. Maybe you see it here.
9:30 coming up. 30-minute closures.
No invites from DiCaprio. Damn.
Hell yeah. Nick always gets.
He said, yeah,
invited,
you
come on.
know, I might go to a game. He wasn't even like, yeah, you know, Nick, maybe we should go to a game or something this year. Like, he was just like, yeah, I'll probably go to a game. That I heard
you're
zero
gonna-
intentions on inviting Nick to that game.
Because there is no set time right now. It's no set date.
There wasn't even any plans of like even including me. Damn.
All right, bro.
I feel left out.
Sheesh.
Maybe
Dude,
next time.
I
Yeah,
got,
maybe
I
next
got
time.
you, bro. Chill.
Come on, man. I just want to hang out with you, bro. I just want to hang.
I got you. There's no set time. I gotta get the tickets first, so
Hit me up when
See
you got
what's
the
up.
tickets.
maybe we'll meet Aaron Judge or something.
You never know. Maybe Aaron Judge will meet you.
Yeah, facts.
How do I see on the 30-minute? I see some rejection here. I see no closure above yet. I see the 15-minute potentially closing back below, and then with volume coming in, you may get a push down here. You got 5 minutes for that 30 to close, but a lot can happen in 5 minutes. So we'll see. True, Z Gamer. True.
It's good, Z Gamer.
That's me and
man.
Stephen B are gonna go to the game. Stephen B's pulling up for some spring training.
Yeah, I'll be in the U.S. We'll get some.
Rafi will fly over.
Rafi will pull up too, bro. Me, you, Stephen B, Rafi.
Wait,
we're
what?
good.
Wait, what?
Nah, it's a group thing.
I'm down. You know I'm with it.
If you do come to spring training, Rafi, definitely come to Tampa since we're right here. Literally 20 minutes by.
Got to.
Nah, I think this year I'm gonna miss that one, but definitely the following weekend playing, bro.
Nice.
We'll go to spring training with brother Joe. It'll be alright.
Yep. Joe will be lit.
Joe be having like his whole bank account on like a spring training game. All right, we just got to hold him to 3 runs here. That's
There
it.
you go.
That's it. If I do that, I win 14 grand. Get some crumble, hang out in the bleachers.
Yeah.
Brother Joe Joe, he does trading, but not this type of trading. He does. He's more in the
Gotta keep
sports business. He's like
Whatever
he's
that
like
means.
Robert De Niro's character from Casino. You ever seen that one?
Yeah, there you
Dude just on the money. Somehow,
go.
some way.
Or Adam Sandler from Uncut Gems.
I don't remember that one that good. What are they calling
That one's
sports
good.
betting on LinkedIn right now? That's whatever they're calling it on LinkedIn. That's what he's doing. Yep.
Oh,
That's it right there.
gambling. Gotcha. He's gambling.
Dudes on LinkedIn know how to make a position sound good. I'll tell you that, bro. I will tell you that. Swear.
He got inspired from the documentary How to Rob a Bank.
That was actually a really good documentary.
If you can make a living robbing a bank, I think you can make a living through other ways too.
If you can make your LinkedIn position sound that good, you can do anything.
Right.
Oh man. You mean gambling? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, he's a sports analysis. That's what he is. Yep. Yep. Yo, you know they got prop firms
go.
for sports betting now. That's cheap.
Wild.
That's pretty G. You go ahead and pass a funding challenge, and they're gonna fund you to bet on sports, bro. Like, what time are we living in? Wild. Wild.
Oh, that's crazy, bro.
It's crazy. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Mad opportunity all over.
There's even police in the chat. The police are doing it the most. They're gambling on everything. They're sitting in the car watching the games. I'm a funded gambler. What do you do for a living? I'm a funded gambler. Funded. All right, do we get a close below here on Goldie? Do we get a close below? So sells don't look too bad. Last time we kind of closed up at this range here. You had a nice push down. You'll have some volume coming in here too. All right, so if you break that 30 low, it's a pretty high chance we'll continue down. It's the 30 low, 1 hour low sitting there. So Super Bowl. I feel like the parlays though, they're not the greatest. I feel like you just gotta bet straight up. Bet on something straight up. That's where you increase your odds, in my opinion. From the outside, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, that's
what
what
For the
actually
record,
works
I don't
for
bet
Joe.
on sports. Will we drive with no wick here, just like this guy? Possibly.
It's out of our control.
Let it bleed.
What's in our control is when we press buy or sell.
Order filled.
Damn.
And they're eating donuts. That's
Why
true.
do you do that?
Gambling and donuts. Not bad. Hey, what does this guy do? You find his Instagram, funded gambler. Wait, what? Helping other people get funded?
Fund for a living.
Just help other people get funded. Look how many people we help get funded. They're all gambling on games now too. Ditch your job and just come gamble with us. Start doing it full time.
That's cool.
Hey, if you got the skill, you could do it full time. Like my brother Joe is someone who's genuinely interested in sports, in the characters that are being played, in the athletes and all that. So he's got a knack. He's got a knack for it.
Right. That's his passion too.
And he enjoys it.
Loves sports. Yep.
Exactly.
And he played too, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did.
Man, love sports. Where would I take
Wise
profits?
man once said,
Right here.
I
Right
grade
at
those
Wicksville.
sports for it.
Partials here, full target down here. 2 minutes in, no top wick.
Yeah, nothing we could do there.
How come I changed to futures? So there was a lot of stuff going down with not FTMO, my Forex funds and a couple other funding companies that I was with before, and then I for a pretty long time I had money in Dominion markets, and I would use Dominion markets and stuff, and then I was getting ready to put some more money because I was like, you know what, let me stop the funded route because all the shutdowns that were going on, and I was like, all right, I'll put some personal capital in. And basically what happened was Dominion markets stopped being able to take on US clients. So that forced me to take all my take my bag out of Dominion and then look for somewhere else. And then my buddy was telling me about futures for a long time, so I'm like, you know what, let me go with them, and that's how I started. And then I was like, wow, no spreads, very little slippage, US regulated brokers, you know, a lot of things just started checking off that sounded good to me, and yeah, it's kind of how I went that direction.
I feel like there was a lot of traders who went from Forex to futures in this last year. I think we all went for the same exact reasons.
Yeah. I mean, my Forex fund, sometimes I was getting like 5 pip spreads. Like, yeah, just casually sitting in the trade, like 5 pip spreads. Yeah, the spreads are a little high today. Like, no, bro. Like, spreads are a little illegal today. That's what spreads are. Not a little high. The brokers are high. That's who's high.
Mm-hmm.
My goodness. So, yeah, so that's what kind of made me get out of there. Little 104 pip spread, no big deal. Something light. But I'll be honest, Dominion market has the best latency and spreads on their Holy. Oh no, yeah, Dominion was probably the best one I've used though. The best.
Bro, honestly, that was a crazy year last year with Forex prop firms.
It was wild. It was a wild ride. It was a wild ride.
Yo, the my Forex funds, did they pay you before they left?
I got paid out, but when they were going down, I didn't even have a payout or anything. Like, I wasn't eligible for any payouts yet. So they just went down. So they didn't owe me any money at that point.
Oh yeah. I got a check waiting on them.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Oh wow. Yeah, my frozen funds just froze up quick.
Yeah.
Yep.
The best spreads and latency in the game. Oh, we made a top wick and now we're pushing flipping bearish again here. Let's see. Interesting. So I use Tradeovate, Victor. I haven't had any issues. Withdrawals, deposits have pretty much all been, I would say, under like an hour for the most part. Especially if you do a bank wire. I never did the other one. I just do the wire, and that one works pretty damn quick. And their customer service is legit. Like, you hit them up, they're the real deal. So that was another reason, just US regulated, like to have 10, 20, 30, 40, $1,000. Just I never liked pushing like 10,000 stuff like that through crypto anyway, with like using some of those offshore brokers. So yeah.
Yep.
And you could tell in my trading, right? Because after that, all of a sudden trading started, like the trade, trading results started getting like really good, because you started to see, okay, I felt a little bit more confident now, like as if we weren't getting slipped and dealing with spread all the time. I felt good that my cash was under US regulation. It didn't have to go through crypto. So it was just a better overall experience trading the markets.
Definitely. We also got the real live markets too, through futures as well. And a lot of successful traders were already trading futures and they were all loving it. Everyone was saying great things about futures.
Yeah, paying for like legit data.
The prop firms are way better too, in my opinion. Honestly, easier challenges, quicker payout processes,
Yep.
I think the pros outweighed the cons.
Yeah, it's nice. Saving payouts all year. Yeah, that's nice. Yep. Yeah, consider it.
That's really good, Victor.
Yeah. Yeah, once you start dealing with your own cash, you stop messing around. You're like, sometimes you're like, if I blow this challenge, who cares? Blow the con, whatever. But now your hard-earned cash is in the market, so you're on your P's and Q's a little bit more and getting a little bit more responsible. So that helps too.
It's cool too. Like, you could use you got the profit model, you got the personal account. You could kind of use both accounts for like both have being their own individual stream of income, and they could both do different things. Like maybe the personal account could pay your rent, and the profit payouts could be your spending. You know what I'm saying? Like you could switch it up like that too and make 2 streams out of those 2 accounts.
Yeah. Every account's a business. Every account's a new business that you own. So you could produce income in both of them and multiple streams of income.
Yep.
Magnus, the Viking. What a W trade there in London, buddy.
What's up, Magnus? What a beauty trade. That was that fake out. But it's coming back up.
Let me know if you want to pull up. Pull up, boom. Buys might be coming back up here. Who knows? You appreciate being more accountable. There you go. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Yeah, you start to be like, you know what? This is my money here, right? This isn't just a demo account or simulated account or whatever. This is actual money that I placed into the market. The good old personal accounts.
It's crazy. I feel like a lot of people are not trading personal accounts as much anymore.
No,
with the profits.
not at all.
Right.
I'm bleeding with USD Chef. Holy chala. You and Green. Green's probably in on that trade
What's up,
too.
Chala?
USD Chef. Sounds something like he would trade. USD Chef. Let's go. Alright, what are we doing here on we just continuing to push up here or what? Yeah. Almost look like we might get a closure below there.
We almost got it, bro. Literally filled the range tap target perfectly. Just no bottom, no topic.
What up, Magnus? The Viking has arrived. How are you? How are you? How are you, buddy? How was the gym?
It's good, Magnus.
Fantastic, eh? Nice.
Justin back. Let's go.
Yeah, this thing took off. Goldie 930's a little confused, breaking lows, trying to come up, break highs here. See, that's the issue when you got no bottom, no wick at the top in the beginning, and then it wants to come up, and now you don't know which way it wants to roll. And 15-minute candle coming back up. My charts look a world different, yeah. So everyone's got different charts here today. It looks like. Everyone.
Thank God for our charts, man. Yeah, trading. Excuse me, trading with Dan. That's so facts, bro. Right, like freedom is right around the corner for some of us, right? If we're talking about just replacing our income from our job with our trading, we all know what that number is, right? It's so possible. So possible. Nice, Matt. 2 W's for the day now, chilling, lovely. I like that, man. You know, being able to call it after a win or two, it's great, man. It not only tells me that you're gonna keep your profits, but you're not greedy as well to give it back and try to get more. You can be content with what you did for today. Right. There could be 2 different people, right? That Einstein on Wall Street talked about, right? There's 2 different people, 2 different individuals. One of them comes and makes $1,000, right? Actually, both of them make $1,000. One of them stops trading and goes enjoy the day, goes enjoy the time with his family, go gets a nice dinner, go sees a show with his girl, whatever it may be, enjoy the night. One of them stays to try to make $3,000, right? And spends his day just trading, right? Out of emotions, trying to get money, trying to make money, putting a bunch of trades on, over trading, over leveraging, just so he could make a couple more bucks, right? Maybe like an extra $500, $1,000 when he was already up 1,000. He ends up going up 500, tries to go up another 500, loses that, ends up being negative 2,000 on the day when he was already up 1,000 and had the whole day to where he could have enjoyed. So yeah, there could be 2 different stories, right? To 2 different individuals just from 2 simple decisions, or a simple decision like that. So yeah, you can never go broke taking profit, and hey, it's impossible to take a losing day when you take your W and you move on to the next and enjoy the day, man. Definitely. Yeah, good work, Matt. Then there's me. Over trading, revenge trading. Yeah. Let's go. See Melly. What's up, see Melly? W on that note, just locked myself out. There we go. Oh boy. Right, because there's always more, especially money, right? Like you start wanting to make $10,000 a month. You start making, now you want 20. You start making $1,000 per trade. Now you want to make 2,000. So it's never ending, right? It's like fleeting. So hell yeah, to show up, understand what the job was. The job was to just follow the plan and make a bag, right? We do that, and then we get caught in wanting more. We get caught in our emotions of wanting more, that we start to go off tilt, remove logic, trade with emotion, and we forget the main purpose of what we're doing here and why we're doing what we're doing. Yeah, it's definitely a good reminder, yeah, for sure. There you go, trading with Dan, yes sir, man. Yep. Yeah, I think it depends, it depends on the trade. Every trade is a little bit unique in its own way. So sometimes I'll hold the trade for 5 minutes. Sometimes I'll hold it for 10, it's all different. But like on average, I'd say like 5 to 15 minutes I'm holding trades.
Agnes.
Yeah, sounds good, Johnny. What's
we
up?
hold it. Today we held a little
Hello.
longer in London.
We hold it. Imagine we held that trade.
Holy.
Oh, I should have
held out to
pulled. I
target.
should have filled.
That thing smoked my target, that trade today.
Me too, yeah.
Yeah, that was a good trade.
Yeah.
That one came right to target, just perfectly.
Exactly. You taking any trades today?
Nah, that was it. Just that one trade. That was a good trade, man. That was a real good trade.
Yeah, yeah.
Definitely.
Well, anticipation with the bearish, like 1 hour, 4 hour, and all that, but
Yeah.
still made sense.
No topic on that 4 hour, right? I remember.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That was awesome.
Yeah, George, I'm still holding you.
George
Gotta
is still
run.
holding.
George.
Damn, bro. With those spreads, you need to be holding now.
Yeah, fact.
I think you're in profit now.
Yeah, right. Maybe you're getting in profit at this point.
It's funny because once we made that top wick on the 4 time frame, we rejected instant. You sniper exit.
Yeah, we did. We snipered out.
Yeah.
Sniped it. Traders X. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
What's up, Traders X?
How you done?
Got
We got a
scared to
4-hour
enter.
closure coming up here.
Yeah, if you're scared to enter, just don't enter. You know, if you're a little fearful to enter, that just means that the price action isn't familiar to you yet, right?
Yeah, thanks.
According to your entry, you know, your setup type and all that, and what you're looking for. So that's fine. That's just a that's just like a data point not to enter yet.
Right. And if you're not confident when the edge is there, then I think maybe you just need to build that confidence, and you need to get some reps in just executing the edge, so you can let the edge put some trust in you, you know, prove to yourself that the edge works before you put a crazy amount of money on it as well, you know.
True. Yep, get your reps in. Just get your reps in.
Earn your
That's if you're
size.
scared.
Yeah.
That's if there's like a beautiful breakout play or celery at 9:30 and you're scared to pull the trigger. I think you just need to build some confidence.
Yeah, that's all. Just reps, chart time.
Yep.
Go in little, and then like earn your size, like Magnus said. Yeah.
Sir.
So we got some chop here. We got some chop.
Yeah. If that 4 can close above, that would be great. But
Peace out, energy. Peace.
See energy?
Yeah, some peace energy.
See you in London. London
This is a big
vibe.
4-hour closure.
Yeah, we got a 4-hour close coming up. We might be taking this party into the clubhouse, man. If y'all aren't in the clubhouse yet, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Time to make that happen.
Clubhouse taking flight. Fire course coming real soon. Real soon.
Won't be lit.
Oh yeah. We got some really fun things planned for the clubhouse.
Wait on.
Just wait on
Like
it.
I said, the clubhouse is gonna change the game in terms of trading execution, trading
Whole industry,
education.
bro.
Yeah, man. Shake the industry.
Sir.
9:51. 9:30 starting to pump with 9 minutes left.
Look at that 4
Pumping.
candle.
Breaking 4-hour, breaking highs, breaking lows. 4-hour driving up.
Oh, the only thing is that resistance over there. Let's see.
Hello.
That resistance there just chilling like a spider on the wall.
A
Yeah.
daily candle here.
Might even go up.
What could be nice too is at some point later today, whatever, we kind of drive up here, but then we exhaust. So we close something like this, right? So like you close one candle, no wick at the top. The next candle you close like this. Right? What could we expect possibly on the next candle? So what are we looking for when it comes to the fade? No wicks at the top. High levels of resistance. Big top wicks, aka rejections. Smaller lower wicks. Right? So maybe that's where you can begin to break the lows tomorrow. Something like that. Then we see. We'll see. Gold may want to keep running bullish too. If you close above here, now you got clean range moving up. So we'll see. Charts look like this. What time frame? Yeah, most people I think already took a win, which is good. nice win earlier. So don't spoil the profits on anything that is just trying to lure you in.
As I said before too, in the Zoom, like making the money is one thing, but preserving it is another. So it's basically two different skills.
Yep.
Yep. And if you don't have the habits in place to preserve your capital, then making money doesn't mean anything, because you can just lose it and the money will just take it right back. So having habits in place to not only multiply your money but to preserve it is just as important as multiplying your money, if not more important.
Yeah, you should have a plan also for those days, you know, like when are you gonna stop trading, and then when you don't trade, you know, it just should be a part of the playbook, because then you're gonna be open to temptations, you know.
Third.
Like risk management, rules, and your trading plan.
Some temptations come in. See you later, Dan.
Temptations.
Good to have you here today, brother. Yeah, take your wins, man. I got my win here on gold. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. So if you guys are up, there's no need to try and do anything crazy. Order filled. Just relax. Just turn your chart off. There's no trades here anyway. Order filled.
Suddenly it begins to stutter.
What was that? No. Suddenly now there's like a playbook position. No, you guys don't see that. I mean,
Shut up, Nick.
I'll tell him. George sent me the signal. Sorry. It's on the Oanda chart. Trust me, it looks like a playbook position. Ooh, nice. Let's go, Goldie.
Damn, juicy. Juice box here.
Yeah, my push in the daily here. Even though we got no topic in that last candle, but I think we could retrace like you said. So if we fill some of the wicks, we break the high up there, like the previous daily, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then begin to retrace from there. I don't know.
Yep.
This could run here.
Let her run.
4 hour, I'm thinking wants to make a bottom wick potentially.
4 hours coming to a close here. Might close without a top.
Wants to come up.
Damn. Yeah, if the fall close without the top wick, we know.
It's chalk.
We know what's up.
Yo, who's calling me right now? Potential spam? Come on, don't waste my time. Do I use negative RR? No, I used I'll use a 1 R is fine for me. As long as I got a range that's like 30 pips plus, I'll look to take positions. And usually if it's anything more than a 1 R, like, or anything less I should say than a 1 R, I don't it just doesn't make sense.
Yeah, typically strive for the 1 to 1 2. Yeah.
Yeah. Now something I will do sometimes, like within my trade management, if certain things start to shape up in the trade, maybe I will cut it earlier, right? Like if things aren't acting the way I want them to act, or doing what I want it to do, or just coming up to a certain area and just not being able to push through, then I may manage it and close. But typically I like getting that 1 R. $2 away. Holy. Oh man, yes, next best setup. Next best setup. See, that's the crazy part about trading. It's like, especially like these combines and challenges, like you could be $2 away, or $200 away, or 2,000. Like the only thing to do is to show up and look for the next best trade.
Exactly.
Because imagine you're $2 away and you take a loss, and then you're like, nah, now I'm $60 away. God. Hell no. Boom, another loss. Now you're 300 away, and then it just, you know how it goes. You know how it goes.
Worst cycle ever.
Been there.
You either looking at the process of taking one good trade, or you're looking at making money and just looking to take a trade and make money. There's two different routes you can go.
Facts. All of a sudden you got max contracts on. 15 contracts on the 150.
That's good though. You're not even thinking about it. Like you're $2 away, but you're not even letting that make a decision for you. You know, you're not letting it be a factor of making a decision for you in your trading.
It's light work, brother. Don't even think about it.
Yeah.
Don't even think about it.
Exactly.
It's like Derek Jeter's. What was that one hit? It was like 1,000 or whatever it was, 10,000. I forget the big. What was it for him?
3,000.
3,000.
With Baltimore.
Yeah. Don't even think about it, bro. No sweat. You're only cracking the record for most hits ever. You're good.
Man hit a home run.
Man hit a home run. Come on. Come on. Does it get any more Derek Jeter than that?
Yeah, walk-off base hit last game of the year.
Yeah, last game, last at bat ever. My guy hits a walk-off base hit. Come on. You go back to Michael K. Dude sounds more passionate than Joe at that point. Dude said, "Picture perfect ending."
Wow.
Whoa. All right, 4-hour closure coming up in 17 seconds here. Interesting. Very interesting. Right at daily resistance. 4-hour close without a wick.
Right below
Same
floor
thing,
resistance
same
too.
deal with the 1 hour here.
This just looks like a pullback. What the hell? We just break the high in the first seconds here.
Breaks the high in the first second.
Man, my job's super simple here.
Me too.
Full margin sells right now.
Oh, sells?
Wait.
I meant buys.
Wait, what? Wait. What are we doing? Order filled.
Super simple, Nate. Super simple. Order filled.
Simple game.
What's the plan again?
Chalak, what's the signal, bro?
Send it.
Give us something here.
Holy.
Wait, was that not the plan? The full margin sells? Oh, crap. Everyone's like, yeah, we know exactly what we're doing right now. 3 different answers. Full margin sells, buys, full margin. Wait, what?
Don't even trade now.
TK's missing? Oh.
Damn.
We turned him off for a second. He has to reboot.
TK.
TK.
Just say TK 3 times in a row as fast as you can and magically he'll appear.
TK.
Go in the mirror, turn the lights off.
Oh, wait. I need a mirror.
Just say TK 3 times in a row as fast as you can.
TK. He appeared.
His ears are ringing. He just pops out of your computer. Hey, how's it going? You've got mail. Hey, what? Where'd you come from, bro?
Man's candy, man. Damn. Do we gotta take it off to the clubby?
Clubby.
It's going up in the club. Oh, let's see this. Let's see. What are we? Oh my God. 9 pips?
Yeah, I think that's the spread. I don't even know.
Spread?
No, maybe not. That's the spread. Maybe the one beside the clock where they're like 6 and 13.
Yeah, I thought it was this one here.
I don't even know. But what about the other one? Like, look at gold. 1,300.
Holy, I didn't even realize that. Damn. I was just looking at this one.
Nah, I think gold is 0.6.
Damn,
pips.
Daniel. Yeah, y'all better just don't even. Honestly, put the safety on your account. Like, lock out. You guys got safeties? Anything you can like use to cover the trigger? Like, you don't even want to hit the button by mistake.
It's your own discipline.
You don't even want to hit that thing by mistake. Oh,
Yo,
wait.
Nikki,
Yeah, sip.
Don't tell him.
Hey, simple. It's all good, man. Keep your head up, dude. One losing trade doesn't mean you're a loser. I've taken plenty of losses in my life, and I will take more. So yeah, don't let it get to your head. Losses only phase you if you let them. Like, if you just understand that trading's a game of probabilities, you could just continue to execute one good trade. But if you let that loss get to you, that could get bad. That could go right into your emotions. Now you start trading with no more plan. So just stick to the plan, brother. Chilling.
Unless you full margin
Sorry,
sold
guy.
right here, then that might get to you.
Oh yeah, that might get to you. Yeah,
That might get
100%.
to you real bad, yeah.
How do you get rid of emotion? Well, you just replace it with logic. Instead of thinking emotionally, you think logically. So instead of thinking about the money, you think about the process.
Sir,
Yep.
process focused over outcome focused.
You use emotion
And
and you tie it
success.
to your goal. So when your emotion comes in, your other emotion comes in, you go, well, you know what? It's not worth giving into that emotion because the emotion of my burning desire of my ultimate goal is much stronger than the desire of the emotion of this or that. So as long as you know what you want, you'll make less mistakes and less immature decisions along the path.
Exactly.
And yep. And
Yeah,
success is not built on outcomes, it's built on processes, right? The real prize here is the process, because the process is where you progress into becoming that person who attracts and who lives the lifestyle that you want to live. So yeah, the process is the main prize here.
Yes, sir. Be purpose driven, not pleasure driven.
And success in money is a lagging indicator, meaning you don't do things today and get paid for it tomorrow like a regular job. Like, since success is not built on the outcomes, it's built on the processes, then things take time to process. And I think it's in those habits, right? And you don't see results when you're building good habits, right? You're just building good habits. You're not really seeing any results. So success is built in the processes of building good habits, and you can't expect to look for the money today or tomorrow, right? You just need to focus on building good processes and habits, and then the money comes over time. And that's because success of money has a lagging indicator. Yeah, it's like the Chinese bamboo tree. That's how I like to think about it.
Exactly.
And unfortunately, that'll never click for most people because they'll be like, "Wait, what do you mean? I just did something and I'm not getting a result. I'm not getting paid for it." It's how it is out here in the jungle.
Right.
It's not the same as your
And
job.
it's like, right, and it's the same, excuse me, it's the same as if you were, if you had a destination you had to go to, you put it in the GPS. The GPS is your guidance, your roadmap, the plan to get there. You don't see the destination while you're on the way to the target, right? You see that as you start to make some progress with your plan and the GPS, and then you get closer to your target, and then you see it. So you're not going to see it while you run the plan. You just got to keep running the plan, and then you will see it eventually.
Yeah, true. You gotta see it in the mind's eye. The mind's eye, then it'll come into the physical realm. But you can go there every day. Every day you can have some important time by yourself and say, hey, look, right now I'm getting in the zone. I'm going into my future. I'm stepping into my future life. And literally live a day in your future. And live the perfect day. Write down if I was to ask you a question, and that question was, what's the perfect day look like to you? And you start jotting down the details of that day. Take some time early in the morning or whenever you can and go there, right? Live there on a day-to-day basis. Visit your future life. You're more likely to look for things that are going to attract that life versus not really knowing where you're going. I kind of want to do this. I kind of want to do that. No, like, you guys know where you're going for a holiday, right? You're going here, right? At this time, on this day. Think about your goals like that. Like, you're definitely going there. And now you just got to see it. You got to see it in the mind's eye day in and day out. And the more you live in that feeling, the more shockingly it'll actually come into your actual physical realm. So everything takes place in the spiritual realm long before it shows up in the physical realm. And once you understand that and you begin to dive into that topic and learn about this, it's over. No one will ever control you ever again. You
And
create your life.
There you go, bro. Never compete, always create. And create the life you want to live by becoming the person you decide to become. That's how we create the life we want to live.
Cheers. Cheers.
So facts, man.
Life is exactly how I planned it. And guess what? So is yours. And I used to hear that when I was broke and busted and think, screw him. I want a better life. But that's not what your decision making is saying. That's not what your self-talk is saying. That's not what your actions are saying, right? And no, it doesn't matter what you want, right? It just matters what you work for, right? What you apply to what you want. So just because you want something doesn't mean you'll get it. So you got to work every day.
Amen.
It's funny how you said that, because I don't know who said it, but there was a quote Earl Nightingale said too, that everyone must live off the fruits of his own thoughts. So basically you have 100% personal accountability of who you are now, because that's all you thought up to this point.
Yep.
Because we know that we become what we think about, so there's really nothing more.
That we do.
That we do.
Pay what Earl Nightingale say as well. He said, "Pay the price by becoming the person you decide to become."
Man.
It's all about becoming the person you want to be. It's all about attracting the life you want to live.
Yeah,
Can't chase it.
And then you give that person to the world. And that's how you impact people. That's how you inspire people. That's how you build a momentum, how you build a culture, right? You find out who the best version of you is, and then you work on that, you build that, and then you give that person to the world, and you serve people in that manner. Right? You want to deliver your best service and your best self to the world. We're not just in this for us, just not just here to merely walk around the world and, kind of walk around in circles with our head down. No, we're here as a community. We're here to impact, inspire, and lead change and do all that. So, only the movers and shakers are going to do that. And those people are people who know what they want and where they're going.
Yep.
Yeah, we're just servants. And we've been given incredible gifts, like these eyes and these ears and these biceps and these triceps and this brain. And you got a body, and if you're treating your body like crap, you're basically looking up at God and saying, thanks for the body, but I don't really give a rip, right? He's just a vessel. It's a temple. That's my big thing for me going into the new year, is like really cracking that food matrix, getting away from that stuff, especially having kids now, being able to start them off, never having to reach into that bag or into those cookies, everything in a little bit of moderation. But your body truly is a vessel given to us, right? And if you're just destroying it, you're basically looking up and saying, I don't care about this thing you gave me. So your body is your life. Keep it clean.
Right. And there's a verse in the Bible too: if you don't take care of your temple, you'll lose it.
Yeah.
Gotta take care of it.
Yeah.
Holy Charla, can I get a holy?
So you got in the clubhouse.
This is ripping. Where are we going?
Yeah, where are we going? Tell him.
Let's go meditate. And take some batting practice at Yankee Stadium while Gold juices.
Juice box
right now, bro.
Coming up. Rafi's about ready to go to sleep, dude. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning over there.
Oh damn, is it?
12.
11.
11.
Oh, Rafi, you're gonna have to adjust, man. That with that time zone.
Yo, I've been working on that, my guy. Been working on that for a couple months.
Nice. I know you're preparing yourself for it, definitely.
That's something that you want to think about. Like, if there's something that you want to do, you want to start doing the reps mentally before you do them physically.
So true.
Because once you start doing them physically, you already done them. So the body understands that it's something that is possible. Even though you haven't done them physically yet, you've done it on the mind, and it's just the body sees association, and it sees that it's something that is doable and done in the past. So yeah, I've been thinking in the mornings, like now when I do London, I've been thinking like, okay, so I'm actually freaking the mind right now that I'm getting up early, even though it's not.
Right. That's awesome, dude. That's so true, what you said as well.
Yeah, that's actually smart.
Yeah.
You gotta trick
Getting the
your mind,
reps.
man.
It's like a pregame, you know, you're getting the reps in, so by the time the game is here, it's normal.
You know, it's crazy. Like, we do this trick all the time. We just don't know. Like, how many times you tell yourself, I'm not good enough? Is that true?
Only if you believe it.
Right.
Only if you believe it, yeah.
You're tricking the mind that you're not good enough, so the mind will find ways for you to fail. Because that's what you've been telling yourself, and you see yourself fail. But if you change that, and you start creating a mental picture of, you know, I can't do this. And that's the thing. You need to build steps, right? Instead of saying, oh yeah, I'm good enough. Well, no, you're not. You need to start thinking, oh, I'm getting better at it. You see, I'm getting better. Yep, I'm getting better. I'm getting better. So it's kind of like there's progression. And when you see that you're getting better, you actually start changing, like, I got this, right? So you see what I'm saying? You're building on top of that. And then when you let us know, like, oh, yeah, I've been doing it for a long time. Now that's a new belief system.
Yep. That's so true, bro. You attract what you are. Law of attraction.
100%.
Yeah, man.
All right. Well, with that being said, I think we'll head off. We'll come back for Thursday. Jump into the clubhouse for a bit. See if we can get a pullback. Same deal as yesterday. Remember what we did yesterday? We waited a little bit. It took a little bit of time, but we created a nice little piece of structure. Took buys going back up, and you may get the same thing here today.
Let's go.
All right. Step by step, day by day, gang. We'll get there.
The daily work.
The daily work.
Small steps over time, or large leaps. Over time. Let's get it. Compound effect.
Compound effect, yes, sir.
Alrighty, boys. Well, appreciate you guys coming up, being here.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me, Nick.
Good work.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, brothers.
Yeah. Nice trade earlier in London.
Peace, chat. Peace, boys.
Sir. See ya.
Peace out, G's.
Peace.
Yeah. Alright, yo. Chat, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. Don't over risk, don't over
It's always people I don't know who always see the vision. I try not to be distracted and complete the mission. Cause the devil trying to tear me down like demolitions. But I keep spitting, I be mixing like I'm in the kitchen. Already told you, God told me this was God written. I guess I gotta be somebody before they try to listen. Praise God these days that I'm so optimistic. Cause we about to have the game looking apocalyptic. I'm chosen. Always remember that he told me how I'm chosen. It's apparent that he chose me. Now I'm chosen. They be trying to keep the old me round. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen. Always remember that he told me how I'm chosen. It's apparent that he chose me. Now I'm chosen. They be trying to keep the old me round. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me down. It's apparent this gift you gave me is heaven sent. So I find myself praying more than I ever been. Meditating and searching to see what heaven is. So lately I can't even tell you what the devil been. I can't even name nobody else I know that's true to this. Hold up, honestly I can't name nobody that's doing this. I can't even blame Lucifer for trying to ruin this. Cause ain't no telling who he go have left when I get through with this. I know the only way to win with this is follow all the guidelines. Trying to read the Bible more than I be on the timeline. When them angels with me, I'm wiser than Albert Einstein. So I can't sell my soul, my signature won't see the dotted line. Always remember that he told me how I'm chosen. It's apparent that he chose me. Now I'm chosen. They be trying to keep the old me round. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen. Always remember that he told me how I'm chosen. It's apparent that he chose me. Now I'm chosen. They be trying to keep the old me round. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen. The devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen. They be trying to keep the old me round. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me so down. Many don't understand that this what I'm supposed to do. I can't wait to see the day they say I told the truth. Took me a while to get the picture like a photo booth. Cause I was falling down, but I got back up like a yo-yo. I told the truth. They talked about me bad when I was filled with so much evil. Now I talk about God, they act like I don't be speaking English. I really think it's time to stand standing up for what we believe in. I'm gon' tell it all, so please listen careful when I be speaking. Like I told you, I'm just telling you what God told me. Don't want a piece of the game, I'm coming to take the whole thing. I just rap, they don't believe cause they stuck on the old me. Then watch I come out of nowhere like a nosebleed. The light. Always remember that he told me how I'm chosen. It's apparent that he chose me. Now I'm chosen. They be trying to keep the old me round. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen. Always remember that he told me how I'm chosen. It's apparent that he chose me. Now I'm chosen. They be trying to keep the old me round. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen. The devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen. They be trying to keep the old me round. I'm chosen. But the devil ain't gon' hold me down. I'm chosen.
Player number 1.
I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk his way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth to me. It's now it occurred to me. Hell gon' burn like 3rd degree. If you know your history, Jesus paid that price for me, and he took that curse from me. If you think that's perjury, boy, you better learn to read. Hey, me and my baby girl in one accord, call that double dutch. I've been walking with the Lord, can't be doing such and such. Wait, I took a minute, but now I'm back in it. If God isn't with it, I don't wanna visit. I went independent and started repenting and cut out that fake. I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk his way till they put me